Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Volvo XC60. It's a simple maintenance task that keeps your cabin air clean and your ventilation system running smoothly. The cabin filter on the XC60 is located behind the glove box, underneath the dashboard on the passenger side. Here's what you'll need: a small screwdriver or a T25 Torx driver, a new cabin filter, and a little bit of patience. First, remove the lower plastic panel. It's held in place with a few screws and clips. Don't pull too hard. Once the lower panel is loose, you'll notice a small connector for the passenger footwell light. Unplug that connector carefully before taking the panel completely off. It's a simple clip. Just press and pull. Next, pull slightly on the inner trim piece near the center console to create more working space. It's held by a few clips, so take your time. It should come off with gentle pressure. To give yourself a bit more room to work, roll back the carpet in the passenger footwell. This will make it easier to reach the cabin filter housing and slide the new filter in later. Now you'll notice that the fuse box is blocking the cabin filter door. You'll need to move the fuse box slightly out of the way to reach the filter. It's recommended to unplug the blue connector first. It's easy to remove. Just press the clip at the back and pull. It should come loose without much effort. The fuse box itself is held in place by a few plastic clips. Just pull the upper end of the fuse box toward the seat, and it should come right off the clips. Be gentle. You only need to move it enough to clear access to the filter door. Once the fuse box is out of the way, you'll have a clear view of the cabin filter cover. Remove the filter. Cabin filters have airflow direction arrows printed on the side. Make sure to check which way the air flows before installing the new one. The space is tight, so you'll need to slightly bend and wiggle the filter to get it into the housing. Take your time and make sure it slides in evenly without forcing it. From here on, just reattach everything in the opposite order. Install the filter housing cover, move the fuse box back into place, reconnect the blue connector, roll the carpet back, clip the inner trim back in, and reconnect the footwell light before securing the lower panel.